Hi guys, this is where we stay last November nung nagmakaw kami. This is Believe and More. Yan, so rates ay pakipost na lang sa screen. And I wanna show you my room. We booked three triple bed room, and they have 3 single bed, and then very decent naman ang room naman nakuha namin. Here is the sink para sa mag-wash ng face, and then we have CR. Medyo maliit lang yung CR pero nakakagalaw naman. And we have this shower room. Meron silang hot and cold shower, and free towels and everything. And here is my friend's room. We're using the room, and as you can see, meron pa siyang isang sofa, and then single bed, and one toilet and bath. And here is the pantry nila. So diyan kami nagbe-breakfast. Bibili kami sa labas. So, since may mga malapit na 7-Eleven and bakery sa labas. Yun. Meron silang microwave and free water. Meron din silang refrigerator, so you can let your food stay on that para hindi mapanis. So that's guys. I think it's a decent hotel naman sa Macau.